Hello again and welcome back to my channel. This is English Grammar with Sephora. Today's lesson is called Basic Question and Answer Structures. Learn the easiest question and answers in English. Before we begin this lesson, let's review our exercises from the previous video. If you haven't watched my previous lesson, please pause this video and go watch my lesson titled Simple Present and Continuous Tense. What is happening right now? Before continuing with this video. Now let's review the exercises and learn the answers. For sentence number 1, the answer is present simple. Number 2, the answer is present continuous. Number 3, the answer is present continuous. Number 4, the answer is present simple. Number 5, the answer is present simple. And number 6, the answer is present continuous. How many did you get correct? Leave me a comment below. Our first question structure is called be questions. The easiest question to make in English is to start with the linking verb be, followed by the subject. In our example, the statement is, you are walking. To make this sentence a question, we need to switch the pronoun and the linking verb. So now our example question is, are you walking? These questions are answered beginning with either yes or no, followed by a comma, then followed by the same statement. For example, our answer is, yes, you are walking. If we want to say the girl is not walking, we would say, you are not walking. To make this negative, we would say, no, you are not walking. We added the word not after the pronoun to make the sentence negative. Next, we will talk about do or does questions. The next easiest question structure begins with the helping verb do or does. The words are used following each pronoun. For the first person form, you use do for I and we pronouns. For the second person form, you use do, again for you, and you all pronouns. And finally, for the third person form, you use does for he, she, and it pronouns, and do for the pronoun they. Just like the be questions, these questions are answered with either yes or no, followed by a comma, then followed by the same statement. For example, our statement is, she answers the phone. To make this into a do question, it would be, does she answer the phone? We start with the helping verb do or does, followed by the statement. Also, please note that we remove the S after the verb when using this question structure. To answer this question is very simple. We would say, yes, she does. If we want to say no instead, we would say, no, she doesn't, which is a contracted form of the words does and not. Now we will have our exercises. I have 6 exercises for you. I'll read each one. Number 1, Emma eats the kiwi. Number 2, he is drinking orange juice. Number 3, I am running a fan. Number 4, they clean the house. Number 5, Timothy is grabbing the bag. And number 6, it follows a woman. Okay, now what are the question structures for each one? Please pause this video and practice these exercises on your own. The answer will be given in the next grammar video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video with the exercise answers and grammar lesson. Visit my channel to book a private lesson to practice your English one-on-one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can continue to bring you these videos. Thank you again and see you soon.